Okay, so today we'll be learning how to solve this simultaneous linear equations using equation method. You agree with me that if A is equal to B and A is equal to C, it implies that B is equal to C. If you agree with me on that, that same idea can be applied in solving this problem. From equation 1, we'll make S subject to the formula. So we'll have X equals to 3 minus Y. That gives you equation 3. Then from equation 2, we have X to be equal to 1 plus Y. That will give you equation 4. Now we equate equation 1 and equation 3 and equation 4. So this gives us 1 plus Y equals to 3 minus Y. I like to write it like this, okay? And then we move the Y by way of collecting like terms. So Y plus Y, the minus Y crosses to the side. Then we'll have 1 coming to the square. We have 3 minus 1. Okay, so if you tidy up, you will have 2Y to be equal to 2. Okay, so you have 2Y to be equal to 2. If you divide both sides by 2, you have 2Y all over 2 equals to 2 over 2. Alright, so your Y will be equal to 1. Now to find X, we use either equation 3 or 4. I like to use equation 4. Equation 4 is giving us X equal to 1 plus Y. 1 plus Y. So wherever we see Y, we put 1. So we have X to be equal to 1 plus 1, and our X finally becomes 2. Alright, so if you check, 2 plus 1 will give you 3, and 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So that's how we use the equation method. Alright, let's see another example. Okay, the next example is 2x plus y equals to 3 and x plus y equal to 2. If you check very well, the same approach. Here is better we make y subject to the formula because y is alone. So from equation 1, we have it that y will be equal to 3 minus 2x, and that will give us equation 3. Then from equation 2, we have it that y will be equal to 2 minus x, and that will give you equation 4. Right, so what do? We equate equation 3 and equation 4. We'll have 3 minus 2x equals to 2 minus x. Alright, then we'll collect like terms. So we have minus 2x plus x, which will be equal to it plus 3 crosses. You have 2 minus 3. Alright, so what next again? We simplify. Minus 2 plus x will give us minus x equals to 2 minus 3 will give you minus 1. Of course, on that note, it therefore implies that our x must be equal to 1. Alright, so now to find y, we substitute x into either equation 3 or 4. Equation 3 is giving us y equal to 3 minus 2x. So y equal to, wherever you see x, you put 1. You have 3 minus 2, open brackets, close the 1. So you have 1 equals to 3 minus 2 times 1 will give you 2. So y will be equal to 1. Alright, so therefore we have it that x now is equal to 1, y now is equal to 1. And if you check, 1 plus 1 will give you 2. 2 times 1 plus 1 will give you 3. So that's how we solve for the value of x and y using equation method. Thank you for watching. This is Tambari.